Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Panera broccoli cheese soup. Alright guys, I'm starting out here in a soup pot. I have 1 stick of butter that I melted down. I have 1 yellow onion here, and I have about a cup of matchstick carrots that I did a rough chop on. We're going to get them in there and start to soften them up in the butter. And guys, what this is a copycat recipe off of Panera Bread's broccoli cheese soup. So we'll have to see how it turns out. Now that my carrots and onions went in the butter for about 10 minutes and they're starting to soften, I took 2 12-ounce microwave bags of broccoli florets. They were frozen. Put them in the microwave for about 2 minutes just to start to thaw them. They're still cold. We're going to get them in here, and I diced them up with a knife. Did a rough chop on them. We're going to get them down in the butter with the vegetables, and we're just going to warm this through, guys. And this should only take a few minutes to warm all that through. Alright guys, now that my broccoli's starting to warm through, I'm going to add in 3 cups of chicken broth. Yeah, Dexter, I'm trying to record out here, buddy. I'm also going to add in 2 cups of milk. And guys, for this one here, I'm measuring. Let me turn my heat up just a hair. And I'm going to add in 2 cups of heavy cream. And this is a 2-cup container, guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and dump this right in there. Okay, we're looking good. Now I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of salt. Now if you use unsalted butter, you can go ahead and put 3 teaspoons of it. I use regular salted butter, so I'm just going to put 2 teaspoons in. I can add more in later if I need to. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of black pepper. That's looking good. And this is optional, guys. I'm going to add a little bit of red crushed pepper flakes. You don't have to put that in. We're going to go for about 1/4 teaspoon. Give that a stir. Knock my vegetables down up the side of the pot here. Alright, now I'm going to add in 1/2 cup of flour. What this is going to do is going to help thicken this up. And if I get any lumps in here, guys, they will cook out as the soup cooks. So will the flour taste. And sorry about all the clocks going off, guys. It's just that time of the evening for them to go off. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to bring this up to a gentle boil, a little higher than a simmer, and let this go for about 15 minutes. That'll cook everything through. That'll cook that flour out and thicken it up. And when we get to that point there, after about 15 minutes, I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, my 15 minutes is up. You can see how nice and thick that got. Now that 15 minutes, that started as soon as I put in the liquid. It didn't start when it came to a gentle boil. So it actually boiled for probably about 8 minutes. But you can see how nice it got. Now I'm going to add in the cheese. I have some shredded cheddar cheese here. I'm going to turn my heat down low, guys, because this is done cooking. And I'm going to add in about 4 cups of cheese. So we'll start about 1.5 cups at a time. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. And if I go a little over on the cheese, well, the people who've been watching me for a while, they know my motto. More cheese, more better. So that's roughly about 3 cups of cheese there, guys. A little under 3 cups. Let's go for just a little bit more. That's pretty close to 4, if not over just a hair. I'm going to allow this to sit here on the heat just for a minute till that cheese completely melts through there. And then this will be ready to go, which is just about there now, guys. Okay, guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright, guys, let me get in here and give this a try. See how nice and thick and cheesy that is. Get some broccoli in there, guys. Man, is that good. Cheesy, creamy. Taste the broccoli, the carrots. That's really good, guys. And a lot cheaper than buying that Panera bread, because if you were going to get a bowl that size of soup there, a bowl of soup that size, you'd pay about $10. You have to see a loan agent at the door to get a loan to buy that. That's really good and not that expensive to make, guys. Alright, there you have it. Panera broccoli cheese soup. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.